Walking to school.
Did you walk to school today?
Yes, I walked with my friends.
How long did it take?
About 20 minutes. It was a nice walk.
That's good exercise. Did you enjoy it?
I did. The weather was perfect.
Walking to the park.
Did you walk to the park this afternoon?
No, I didn't walk. I took the bus instead.
Why didn't you walk? It's not far.
I was feeling tired.
Fair enough. Did you enjoy the park?
Yes, it was lovely.
Walking the dog.
Did you walk the dog this morning?
Yes, I walked him for about an hour.
That's great. Did he behave?
Mostly, but he got excited when he saw another dog.
That's normal. Dogs love meeting friends.
True, but it can be a bit chaotic.
Walking home.
Did you walk home after work?
No, I didn't walk. I took a taxi.
Was it because of the rain?
Yes, I didn't want to get soaked.
Good choice. Did you get home quickly?
Very quickly.
Walking along the beach.
Did you walk along the beach yesterday?
Yes, I walked there during sunset.
That sounds beautiful. Was it crowded?
No, it was peaceful and quiet.
I'd love to do that sometime.
You should. It's so relaxing.
Walking in the rain.
Did you walk in the rain today?
Yes, I walked without an umbrella.
Really? Didn't you get wet?
I did, but it was refreshing.
You're brave. I'd stay indoors.
Sometimes it's nice to embrace the rain.
Walking to the market.
Did you walk to the market this morning?
Yes, I walked there to get some fresh vegetables.
Was it busy?
A little, but I found everything I needed.
That's good. Did you carry everything home?
Yes, and my arms got a workout.
Walking in the woods.
Did you walk in the woods last weekend?
No, I didn't walk there. It was too muddy.
That's a shame. The woods are so peaceful.
I know. I'll try again when the weather's better.
Good idea. It's worth the wait.
Absolutely.
Walking around the shopping centre.
Did you walk around the shopping centre for exercise?
Yes, I walked for almost an hour.
That's a creative way to stay active.
It is, and it's indoors, so no bad weather.
Smart thinking. Did you buy anything?
No, just window shopping.
Walking for charity.
Did you walk in the charity event yesterday?
Yes, I walked 5 kilometres to support the cause.
That's amazing. How was the turnout?
It was great. Lots of people joined.
That's so inspiring. Well done.
Thank you.
Walking to clear your mind.
Did you walk to clear your mind this morning?
Yes, I walked around the park for a while.
Did it help?
It really did. Fresh air always makes me feel better.
That's true. Walking is so therapeutic.
Absolutely.
Walking in the snow.
Did you walk in the snow yesterday?
Yes, I walked for a bit, but it was freezing.
I can imagine. Did you wear warm boots?
Yes, but my toes still got cold.
That's the downside of snowy weather.
True, but it was so pretty outside.
Walking at night.
Did you walk around the neighbourhood last night?
Yes, I walked under the streetlights. It was so peaceful.
That sounds nice. Were you alone?
No, I took my dog with me.
Perfect company for a night walk.
Absolutely.
Walking to a friend's house.
Did you walk to your friend's house yesterday?
No, I didn't walk. She came to my place instead.
That's convenient. Did you have a good time?
We did. We chatted for hours.
That's the best kind of catch-up.
It really is.